So here we have the main page of the space work you will receive, and here you have the shapes included. You have triangles in different colors, squares, rectangles, and the small squares. All of them belong to the KAYU. So now I just play with them. In this case I have the bigger triangle and the bigger square included in the KAYU Multiloom, and I start playing with them, making more complex shapes. I copy and paste, drag them. I erase the ones I want to use. So you can use the colors you want. I am just using this as examples. Of course, you can rotate them all the times you want, so they fit in the design you're creating. Now I am just randomly playing with them. It's easy with these main shapes because the sizes are coordinated, they match. So when you have a design that you like, you can group it and then copy it. So you can see the big picture of them, like how it would look bigger or larger in a carpet, in a throw, for example, or blanket. And then you can ungroup and make more changes, for example, as I'm doing now. Erasing a few shapes, changing color, changing shapes. Because when you see the bigger picture, there are things that maybe you don't like and you would like to change. So you play with them in the smaller scale and then in the bigger scale. So here I've got another example, only using triangles, 12 by 12 inches. I am making a very simple design that looks like knitted or crocheted, but it's really a patchwork, a woven patchwork. So them again, I group it, copy and paste it, and scale it. And take a look. This is an example I took from the other design. And now I use this same design, but with some changes. I did a few changes of the geometric shapes. So you just make new pages and make changes. Here's in the big scale how it looks. Here's another design using squares, small squares, the big ones and the rectangle, all of them from the KAYU. And then I added a new column, and then in the bigger picture as it will look if it was carpets or something bigger. And here's another example. This is quite interesting because of the like dynamic effect that the triangles have. And then the big picture.